Today morning I woke up and thought to make some strategy video for my YouTube subscribers so that they can make profitable trades. And there are lots of hard strategy that I can show you, but if you start to go with those kind of strategy, then most probably you are going to make loss in the short run and long run. But this parabolic ACR strategy is so simple, and lots of people who are in my Telegram channel are actually making profits without any headache by using this strategy. Okay, that's why today I thought to trade binary options with $1 balance, and I will do compounding. Okay, I will not stop until I make loss, so that you can see the potential of this strategy and how much far this strategy can make profitable trades. Okay, yeah, and trades can go wrong at any time, but this is the simple strategy that you can use even with the $1 balance that you have in your account. Okay, so I will explain you each and everything briefly, so watch this video properly, don't skip any part of this video so that you can understand it fully and start to implement it in your trading. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make all of these OTC pair your favorite. Okay, just make this yellow and this currency pair will appear at here in this way. Okay, and yes, one important thing, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, and you can join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can start to copy my trades automatically. You don't even need to trade by yourself. We'll be using social trading feature of pocket option. Okay, so now let's get into our topic. Once you make all of this currency pair favorite, then just click on these candles and make sure this is S5. Okay, and if you haven't enabled this timer, then enable this timer. Okay, it will show you how much second trade time is remaining. Okay, and just select this S5 here. Okay, so that means all of your candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now once you do this much, then you just, if it is flag at here, make it clock, just click on it and it will be clock, and then click on this timer S5, and your trading time frame will be also of 5 seconds, the expiration time. And you need to implement this indicator that is called parabolic ACR. Let's cross it, and firstly you just go to your indicators and search for the parabolic ACR and just click on it. Okay, and it will be implemented into your chart. You don't need to make any changes at here. Okay, everything is fine. So once you do this much, now the strategy is extremely simple. See, whenever the parabolic ACR dot is forming above the candle, that means it is a downtrend. Okay, and whenever the second dot of the parabolic ACR forms, at that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, whenever the parabolic ACR dot is forming below the candle in this way, then whenever the second dot of this parabolic ACR is formed, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. So this strategy is extremely simple. Okay, you just need to do these things. Now you need to keep on switching to the charts. Okay, various charts, and see appropriately where you can make the trade. So our investment amount is going to be of $1, trading time frame is 5 seconds, and candles are of 5 seconds. Now let's get started and make few trades. Let's find our entry points from where we can make trade. You just need to switch this chart. As you can see here, there was a second dot, so that's why I made a trade at here, but it seems like it is going to go wrong and we made a loss at here. So now what I can do is I can add one more time the fund. Let me add it quickly. Okay, so I have added $1 again. So let's find another entry point. So you just make loss of $1, so you can take risk how much ever time you want. Okay, until you make a good return while making trade. So here you can see there was a second candle, that's why I made a trade at here, but unfortunately there was 1 minute time that I didn't see. Okay, so let's forfeit this trade. I'll make another trade. Okay, so one important thing that I forgot to tell you is, whenever it is not a OTC currency pair, like this euro CAD is not a OTC currency pair, and here you can see we don't have 5-second trading time frame. Okay, in most of this currency pair you don't get to trade in 5-second time frame. That's why mistakenly I made a trade for 1 minute, which resulted into loss. So I added another $1. Okay, and now what I will do is I will quickly remove all of these non-OTC pair from this favorite, so that I don't get this kind of currency pair while making trade, and instead of trading in 5 seconds, it will be made trade in 1 minute. Okay, so here you can see I think there are none now. Okay, so now again we'll restart from the first. Okay, So let's, here you can see its payout is 75%. You can ignore this kind of currency pair also. Okay, so let's see now. In here you can see second. Again, I forgot to do this, sorry. I'll again do it quickly. I'll remove this quickly. Let's first change it to S5. Sorry for that. Oh my god, today it's so much challenging to make a video. Here you can see we have S5 5-second time frame and $1 investment. So let's again see for the good entry. Here you can see 5-second time frame. Now we'll notice this, okay, properly. Whether it's here, you can see second dot is going to form. So we made a trade by clicking on lower. So let's see what happens. Yes, we made a profit at here. Now what I'll do is 1.92. We'll invest whole amount, the compounding trades. So now let's see in another place where we can find a good entry. Yeah, there was second and we made a trade at here. Let's see what happens in this trade. Yeah, we made a profit. So now when we make loss, we'll stop trading. Okay, no matter how much amount we are going to grow with this $1. Let's see for another good entry. So we missed it. Let's see. No. Okay, let's see furthermore. So if you have any suggestion, then do comment below. Okay, I'll make a video on that also if you have a good suggestion. So there was the second dot. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher at here, and we made a profit. So now our profit is gone 7.05. So I'm not doing any caught or like that. Okay, so you can see 3 trades we made a loss in initial time. Okay, now these 3 trades are profitable. As you can see here, we have grown our balance to 7.05. So now I will invest whole amount 7.05. Okay, now let's see another good entry point. Sometime what happens for 10 to 15 minutes we don't get any kind of this kind of. Here you can see there was second dot but third dot had formed, but still I made a trade, and yeah, we made a loss at here. I should have made in this place, okay, when the second dot was formed, and we could have made profit. In this way you can keep on making the investment of $1, and here you can see we have made like $3 loss. Okay, 1 2 3, yeah, 4 loss. Okay, we made, and 1 2 3 was profit and 1 was loss at here. But if we had made profit at here, we could have gone continuously, or if we had stopped in this $7, then also our previous $4 loss was already recovered, and we have already been in $3 profit. Now additionally what you can do is, you can directly, if you can, then you can directly take risk of $10 at here, so that your funds can increase rapidly. Okay, you can think of some theory and start to implement it, test it in your demo account if you can. Okay, and you, if it is working at the real time, then you can start to invest in your real account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.